Friday, we have 3 encounter weekend. 3 encounter weekend, we have our encounter weekend at His Life, Iloilo and Tigbawan, attended by 30 plus people. We have also an encounter weekend attended by our youth extremes, attended by 110 ka mga youth. May buwak pa ang Ginoo. Nawago, nagit sila, nagahulakit sila, nasa sa likod. And sa ato naman sa main, we have a total of 21 participants. And we thank the Lord for the good venue, kanami, ibula sa lugar. Ginamba ko ina, kanami, maglagaw to, ang bako sa taliya, pwede di ka picnic. AMB, retreat house ini. Siling ko. Pero ang magutod ko kanami, duwala ka lang sa Talisay. Duara ka sa kilid Baybal, pero hindi lapit sa syudad. Kanami, dito sa ICM, we have a good food. And we thank the Lord for touching the lives of our participants. Not only touching them, but filling them with the Spirit. We also thank the Lord for freeing them from bondages. And isa pa rin pinaka-importante is empowering them every day of all. So before pa ko magwali sa mga aga, I would like to turn over to our Sister Ces and Mark, ang iyang husband, to share to us a simple testimony regarding the encounter weekend.
Good morning. Kilala niyo ba ko? Ako galing si Ces. Ako si Ces. Nunyesa. Ako sa una. Musni na ako ngayon. This is my husband, Mark. We are representing His Life Manila. Kadamo, ginsang natabo sa kapuhi ko since I went out from Bacolod and I went to Manila 6 years ago. Kadamo gid natabo. But then again, sa bisan diin ka makadto, biskan ano pahimuon mo, God will lead you to back to where you really should be. So amo na ang natabo sa akon, as in kadamo gid ko sang ginhimo nga kung ano-ano, but then God lead me to His very, very purpose, and that is to glorify Him and to serve Him. But before that, of course, before we could serve Him, etong encounter night, talagang sabi nga ni Gigi, talagang gin-empower niya muna kami. He cleansed us so that we are not worthy to serve the Lord. But yet the grace of God, the love of God is so abundant na talagang He made us worthy to serve Him. And our goal is, for His Life Manila, is to become one of the biggest churches of His Life. So that is our goal. Kabalutan na Manila is a very big place, it's a very big city, and it is our goal that many people will be reached out for the lost. And I thank God for the encounter night na grabe nakit-angit namon how dirty we are in God, but yet because of His love, mercy, and goodness, He cleansed us. And not only He cleansed us, but He empowered us for us to serve Him effectively. We came here nung ginhambalan kami ni Pastor Jobert. Attend ka mo encounter night. Sige, Pastor Jobert, ako pa. After 6 years, makabalik ko sa Bacolod. But then, talagang, it's not part of our budget, Lord. Wala kita, Lord, yeah. But Lord, if this is your will, please provide for us. And the Lord is so good. Lahat gin-provide niya para sa amon. Deal namon siya, nag-pray and fast kami sa bana ko. Ang deal namon siya, Lord, walang missing ko lalabas sa budget namin kasi wala rin kaming budget. So, walang missing ko na lalabas sa budget namin. Hindi rin kami mangungutang para lang makapunta ng Bacolod. If this is your will, you should provide. And the Lord indeed provided for us. He is never too early. He is not late either. Thursday, nasubuan ako yan, Lord. Friday na bukas eh. Hindi pa, nandito pa kami, wala pa kaming ticket. Nag-pray na ko, Lord. Gusto ko naging yan, Lord, pagkanto sa Bacolod. And the afternoon, natulog ko in my spirit. I'm still praying to God, Lord, I want to go to Bacolod. Isang hapon, nagtawag si Pastor Jobert, okay lang sa inyo magroro? Okay, hindi Pastor, biskan maglakat pa kung pwede lang. And nakibot man si Pastor Jobert, no, to make the long story short, nakibot siya nga, imbis nga roro, ginhimo ni Lord may aeroplano. We attended our small group meeting sa Market sa Manila. And sister in the Lord was told by the Lord na i-bless mo, imo kapatid. So we were provided, hindi siya dako, no? Pero God is so faithful. Talagang we went here. Pag abot naman sa airport, we only have our last money, 70 pesos. But then we are so comfortable, we are so blessed. And grabe, ginimo ni Lord sa amo niya. And for more story, let me introduce to you my husband, Mark.
Good morning po sa inyo lahat. Share ko lang po yung natutunan ko sa encounter nung dumating kami. Napakasarap po kasi nung mas lalo nung nakikilala yung Panginoon. Lalo na pagka nagsimula ka sa wala, tapos ngayon may sasama sa'yo para sa ganyan. Napakasarap po talaga. Hindi ko nga po maintindihan kung paano ko ipapaliwanag, pero siguro makapal lang talaga yung mukha para umatin sa mga ganyan. Kasi mahihayin po talaga ako. Pero yun ang po masabi ko, napakasaya po namin. Masarap, tsaka kung pwede lang ulit-ulitin ko talaga. You know?
We encourage for those people who have not attended the encounter night yet, we strongly encourage nyo, we encourage all of you, tistingi lang pala, kanamit namin, you will know who you are, and you will see how powerful our God is. At makikilala ninyo kung sino ba talaga ang Diyos na ating sinasamba at pinupuri. In all of this, we give God the praises and the glory. Lord, thank you, Jesus. We love you, Lord.
Good morning. So this morning we came from the encounter Manggili, alin sa youth, alin kami sa Prayer Mountain. It was a blessed gift from the Lord our God. It is a bit tiring, but namigid si Lord kay it is very refreshing gid to meet God once in a while. And pwede gid every day gid sa inyo daily quiet time. So sa subong, ari ko tigali kasi ka-wonder ka mo because I would like to share a short testimony of our CDO mission trip. So be excited. The CDO mission trip that we had last year was such a great experience with God and with the entire group. It was the end of March in 2009 when 8 YXers, they are Manang Trixie, the wife of Pastor Jobert, Manong Ayan, Manong Greg, Manang Ika, which is right there beside sa next na cinema sa youth, June, and me, Renz, and baby Trina, the daughter of Pastor Jobert. And I responded to God's call for a short-term mission trip in CDO. We went there with a purpose, mainly to strengthen our CDO church. But of course, God did things beyond our own imagination. Not only we were able to help in strengthening our CDO